So, due to the restrictions YouTube is placing on videos or content that talks about jobs, employment, or career advice, I would like to mention that this video do not promote any form of employment or do not promise you any kind of employment. All right. I would like to mention that before I get straight into some of the things we'll be talking about. All right. Now, of course, when it comes to crypto jobs, a lot of people love crypto jobs. I've been working at different crypto jobs even till now. And I thought to share some of the beginner-friendly crypto job opportunities that if you meet the requirements, then you can consider making an application, and that could be cool for you. All right. So, like I always mention, this video do not promise any form of employment. You can be lucky if your application gets accepted. And I think I would love to be sharing these opportunities once in a while. All right. Now, due to these restrictions, also, I will not be showing you how to apply. I'm just going to be sharing and talking about the roles, what you're going to do. Then the application process is only going to be available on our work from home group. That's going to be on our Telegram group, which is on the description of this video. All right. So let's get started. Today, I'll be talking about two beginner-friendly crypto roles. All right. Now, there are a lot of them out there, and certainly you can find the one that works for you. But I believe that when I share things like this, if you meet the requirements, then you can consider applying, and then it could be very valuable for your career. Like I said, I've been working several crypto jobs for like 4 years right now, several tech jobs. In fact, I'm in cybersecurity, and I understand that not everybody has, big degrees or big requirement to apply. Just beginner friendly roles can be still okay for you. So I'll talk about two of this kind, and definitely anyone that you think you like, you can consider doing more research on it. All right. Now, the first one I'll be talking about is the junior trader role. There's a company looking for that, and let's talk about what your job is going to be all about. Now, you can see what you do. Now, this particular junior trader role, of course, a trader is somebody that knows how to trade. All right. So if you know how to trade, this might be something you want to consider. All right. Now let's look at what you need to know how to do before you can make that or look at the role or consider the opportunity. All right. So you can see first things first, execute trades according to established trading strategies and internal guidelines. So this means that they are just going to be telling you the whole role is going to be about you executing trades. All right. You should know or have beginner you should know how to trade. Okay, and they will share some trades that you can execute, and maybe it's a money management firm that um that are looking for traders, okay, to join their team. All right. Definitely more monitor cryptocurrency market and identify potential trading opportunities. Now, these are the things you'll be doing. All right. Analyze charts, technical indicators, and market trends. So these are some things that I believe most people will know how to do. All right. Because me, I know how to do all of this. All right. Follow market news and evaluate its potential impact on digital assets. Maintain trading discipline and apply risk management principle. Record and view your trading performance. Use professional trading software and market analysis tools. Continuously improve your knowledge, your market knowledge and trading skills. These are what you'll be doing. Now, to be honest, I think this is beginner friendly for me. Okay, but if it's not beginner friendly for you, you can look away from this one. But then I believe as a trader, this is a role that I may be looking out for. All right, and certainly if I meet the requirement, definitely I can go ahead to consider making an application. All right, you must not need big degrees and all of those kind of things. All right. Now, like I mentioned, there are companies looking out for similar kind of roles, and this is one of them. So if you like this, all right, the steps to apply is going to be on our work from home group. Okay, you can go and check it out on the group, apply, and hope for the best. All right. Now, what we are looking out for, I've shown you what you will be doing. Now, what we are looking out for, this is what the company is actually looking out for. They're looking out for people who have interest in cryptocurrency, trading, or financial markets. strong analytical and problem-solving skills, ability to stay focused and make decisions in a fast-paced environment, willingness to learn and develop professionally, and good written and well-spoken English. So this is for people who can speak English. All right, and of course, all of these things, to be honest, are beginner friendly to me. Oh, all right, maybe you might not fit into it, but I feel this is beginner friendly. Okay, what we offer now, what they offer. All right, full remote position with flexible working hours, comprehensive onboarding program, hands-on experience with professional trading platforms, access to market analytics, educational resources, ongoing mentorship, which means you'll be having some mentorship programs for this particular on this particular role. Clear development path with opportunities for increased responsibility, performance-based compensation. Benefits: work from anywhere, flexible schedule, structured training program, career development opportunities, continuous mentorship, internal team, and modern analytical tools. Now, these are the full requirements of this role. You can see it's beginner friendly in my opinion. Now, like I mentioned, I believe that most people may like this particular role and may want to look at it. If you want to check it out, you can go to our work from home group and then you can go check it out. All right, the application link is going to be there and you can go consider it. Okay, so let's talk about the other one. Now people are going to be wondering, oh, what is the price, what is the cost? Now trust me, I may not mention that here because it is sensitive. Okay, because if I say this is what they pay or this is not what they pay, it might look like I'm guaranteeing you what it is. But trust me, most of these kind of roles have good compensation. I've worked jobs like this that I earned good amount of dollars. All right, and you are paid in USD, so the compensation is in US dollars, so your salary is in US dollars. All right, and definitely you know that it's something that's going to be good if you can get in. But then, like I mentioned, this is not guaranteed income. All right, when you go check it out, if it fits what you want and you know you have the requirements they want, then you can consider looking at the application. All right, that is amazing. This is for a junior crypto trader, so this is for people who know how to trade. Now let's go straight to the next one that I'll be talking about. This other role is going to be, I think this is going to be a content writer. The content writer, the first one I talked about is for a junior crypto trader. This one is for a content writer, and trust me, it's actually still beginner friendly. So they're looking for a senior content writer. Like I mentioned, I will not share how to you can apply. This is not because I don't want to share, but it is a sensitive information and YouTube will not want us to put those links and all of that. So definitely we are going to put it on other platforms, and then definitely you can go check it out once you're done with how I'm explaining it here. Okay, so this one is a content writer, and definitely content writer, they have very good competitive payment. So trust me, this one is going to be nice and the role is good. So I'm not going to show the company name, but like I mentioned, you can go check it out, all right, on our work from home group. So about the role, some of the most important ideas in blockchain. These are crypto jobs. So I think once in a while I'll be sharing some crypto jobs that you may want to check out for or you want to check out. All right. Some of the most important ideas in blockchain are also the hardest to explain. As a senior content writer, you will help bridge that gap by transforming complex protocol designs, technical concepts, and ecosystem development into thoughtful, educational, and engaging content. So this is just about the role. So your responsibility, this is what you're going to do. Research and write high quality educational long form articles about blockchain, infrastructure, and related topics. Okay, now if you're a content writer and you're into crypto, this should not be difficult. You know, ChatGPT is there, and I believe this is quite beginner friendly. If you ask me, all right, translate protocol updates and complex technical concepts into clear, engaging content for broader audiences. Okay, write high impact content for X, including long posts, long form posts, threads, and all of that. Collaborate closely with researchers, engineers, and ecosystem contributors. All right. review and edit content from other contributors. So this is particularly about writing content regarding blockchain and whatever on their social media platform. That's why they call it a content writer's role. All right. For this particular role, you need a lot of research. You need to have 3 years experience according to what they have mentioned. And trust me, the pay is competitive and also in USD. So you can consider it if you meet the requirements. Okay, please and please and please. We've talked about several crypto jobs before. YouTube brings them down, and of course, this is to still reiterate that this doesn't promise you any guaranteed employment. If you meet the, I've shared crypto jobs previously. People applied and they were lucky, they got it. Okay, so people have been able to get some. Some people were also rejected. So it is based on your application. If you meet the requirement, then definitely that's going to be a good one for you. If you don't meet the requirement, then sorry, it might be rejected. Okay, and that's all. So what are the qualifications required? Okay, yeah, 4 years professional writing experience. Okay, 7 years plus preferred. Now I don't even understand where they want to get 7 years, but that's fine. Deep understanding of blockchain technology and broader crypto ecosystem. Now, one thing I love about cryptos is that the field for cryptos is improving. I mean, people are looking out for this kind of deep roles, and I love it. All right, writing contents regarding crypto is becoming interesting. Okay, this particular job, I think the pay is quite competitive. Trust me, you find the details on the Telegram group. I don't want to say too much. If you're already there, I've already posted it, or I'll post it later after 3 hours or 2 hours. All right, proving ability to explain complex technical concept in a way that is accurate, engaging, and accessible. Which means if you find very complex topics making rounds on the internet, you can explain it the way people can understand. That's what this particular responsibility means. Okay. Exceptional written English with strong attention to clarity, which means you can write English, you can write and speak in English. That's what they want. All right. Excellent research skills. You know how to use the internet. You can research with ChatGPT, Google, Bing, all of those research search engines. You can do your research. The same way you should go and do your research regarding this role. All right. Experience with educational, technical, and research-driven long-form content. Experience with engaging content on X. That means you must know how to use X. Okay, that's part of the qualifications. Familiarity with SEOs, principle, and AI. What they're just talking about here is to understand how to use AI to do your research regarding blockchain tools. Now, if you are into crypto or blockchain, this is going to be something that I feel you might have a little bit of an experience for. Okay, but if you don't have any knowledge about cryptos, then it's a no-no. There are a lot of crypto opportunities that I would love to be sharing, guys, because I believe people are people are growing their careers with these things. And trust me, if you have positioned yourself in such a good way, you can be lucky to um, grab one of them for yourself. Okay, I've had about 20 of these kind of roles over the last 4 years, and trust me, they've been amazing. They've been amazing. It gives you some of the freedom that you would want. But then, like I said, it's not guaranteed. If you understand, I've shouted it's not guaranteed more than 7 times. All right, this is because most times the way people interpret such content, they rush to engage, and that's because they think they're going to be paid 1K, 2K, 3K, 4K. No, some of them are quite considerate, how will I put it? The payment is quite comparable, and but definitely you should go and check out the payment. It is cool. It could be okay for you. Some of them are 500, 300, 200, 6,000, 5,000, 2,000. It is depending on what you want and how you want to understand it, and if it's something that you can accept. There is no guaranteed payment. All right, now let's get straight to okay. The application process is the next step, and that's going to be, like I said, going to be on our work from home job group. All right. So guys, I'll be leaving you here. And if you love contents like this, if you want me to share occasionally some of the beginner friendly roles that you don't need so much, just give this video a like. If we can get more likes on this video, certainly I can consider bringing out one day in a week or 2 days in a week to talk about these roles. It has helped me. All right. It has helped me because sometimes if you are accepted into some of these roles, it's like um it becomes a source of income for yourself. And once you are doing your job very well, definitely you are getting rewarded for it. And certainly, if you live in a third world country like Nigeria or some African countries, some of these payments could be very, very valuable to you because they are in foreign currencies, and that's what it is. All right. So I will see you on the next one, guys. And let me know your thoughts regarding this role. Certainly, if there are other roles you want me to share, I'm going to share it. If you love this video, give it a like. If I have more likes, certainly maybe if you get up to 50 likes, I will know that it's something that you want to see frequently, and then I'll be sharing. All right. Do have a very wonderful day, guys, and I will see you on the next one.